Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kartika and you're watching CosmoTube.
First of all, Happy New Year, and I wish that this new year brings you a lot of opportunities, blessings, and everything you want in your life.
Today we will be talking about the Higgs boson and the Higgs field. The Higgs field governs the weak nuclear force.
There are four types of fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force.
Gravity and electromagnetism are noticeable because they stretch over long ranges. On the other hand, the nuclear forces are present inside the nuclei of an atom, and that is why they are very short range. That was a mystery for a long time. Why were the nuclear forces short ranged even though electromagnetism and gravity stretched out over long ranges? But for the weak nuclear force, the answer is the Higgs field.
The lines of force from one particle to another are absorbed by the Higgs field.
So the Higgs field governs how the elementary particles interact.
Another feature of Higgs boson is that it gives particles their mass. Gravity pulling down is what gives you weight, but weight changes depending on gravity. If something is more massive, it is harder to move. So you can think of mass as a resistance to change motion. And that resistance for everyday objects is friction. On smaller scales like atoms, electrons, quarks, on that scale, friction doesn't matter. If you took the equations of quantum mechanics that describe the behavior of hydrogen atom or other small particles, and if you try to solve them when electrons and protons had mass, all of the equations get complex and didn't agree with what have been observed. If the mass of all the particles is said to be zero, the equations get simplified and also predicted the correct outcome. We know that particles have mass. Peter Higgs explained it as: imagine that the particles are not moving through empty space. Instead, they are moving through some different field. That is the Higgs field. So the movement of these particles through this field is what gives them this drag or resistance to motion. And that resistance to motion is what we call mass. So that is it for today. Like and share the video, and thanks for watching.